Yo, stop wasting time writing Datastore scripts. I just made a drop-in, plug-and-play data-saving system that works like magic. You don't even have to open the script. Just add your stats and it saves everything. And the best part? It's 100% free. So to start, click the link in the description and you should see this page. Click the Join for free. Now go back and download this file by clicking on it. Now open up Roblox Studio, right-click on Workspace, select Insert from File, and open the file we just downloaded. Move the model to Server Script Service and ungroup it. You can delete this script. Now if you open the script, you should see a folder with some values in it. These are the values which will be saved in the data store. As you can see, if I play the game, our values are displayed. And if we open Players and open our player, the folder which was in the script has been added to it. Now you can go ahead and customize the leader stats folder by changing the name of the int values or add your own values. You can even add another folder to store information, such as all the pets a player has in the background. Now I went ahead and set up a demo game to demonstrate how this script works. As you can see, whenever I click this part, my money goes up. So I set my money to 61, and if I leave and then join back, our money should be saved. There we go. The money leader stat displays 61. Okay, so I added a folder called Clicked. And every time I click on one of these three colored parts, it'll add that part to the folder and counts how many times I've clicked it. Okay, so let's go ahead and click these parts. Okay, so we clicked the green part 3 times, red part twice, and blue once. So if we click play again and look at the output, there we go. So I hope you understood this tutorial. If not, leave a comment and I'll make sure to answer your question.